How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And here's how you can get NordVPN for cheaper. Now, if you go to the NordVPN website without any links, this is the best deal that you can get, which will save you 51%, $3.99 a month for the first 2 years, paying $95.76 in total. But if you click the link in the description down below, you'll be able to grab this deal right here, which will save you just under $20, paying $78.96 for the first 2 years, which is $316 a month, saving 61%, and you get an extra month for free. So if you guys are interested in this deal, be sure to check the link in the description down below. You'll also find a full review if you'd like to learn more about NordVPN before making the purchase. You'll get an in-depth look into the privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. And keep in mind that all the plans are covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try out the service for 30 days risk-free, so no worries there, and you have 24/7 live chat support. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.